Welcome to this beautiful morning meditation, which will relieve all stress and anxiety, naturally lowering your cortisol levels and setting you up for a positive day. Let us begin. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and take in a deep breath. Notice the rhythm of your breath as you breathe in and out. Breathing in calm, breathing out tension. Each breath brings more peace and tranquility to you. Breathing in relaxation, breathing out stress. Feel your body becoming lighter and more at ease. Now, silently or out loud, repeat these affirmations. I am safe. I am surrounded by a protective, calming energy. I can let go and be at peace. I am allowing myself to be calm now. I am at peace now. I am safe. I am surrounded by a protective, calming energy. I can let go and be at peace. I am allowing myself to be calm now. I am at peace now. I am safe. I am surrounded by a protective, calming energy. I can let go and be at peace. I am allowing myself to be calm now. I am at peace now. Now visualize yourself standing in a serene place, perhaps a peaceful forest or a quiet beach. Feel the gentle breeze and hear the soothing sounds of nature. Imagine the warm sun on your skin, calming you and soothing you. Feel a deep sense of relaxation washing over you. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this peaceful start to your day. Trust that you are supported and guided by the universe. As we begin to close this meditation, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the support of the ground beneath you. Everything is okay, and everything will be okay. When you're ready, open your eyes, taking the calm and empowered energy of this meditation with you into your day. Thank you for sharing this beautiful meditation moment with me. This is Jess, and I love you.